How to stop your Roblox crashing. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can stop your Roblox crashing in your system. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your Roblox, and after that you have to go into your Windows, and from here you have to simply search for the run. Now once you are in, as you can see that here is the command operator open up. Now what you have to do is simply type the app data, and from here you have to simply press the enter and click on the OK. Now from here you have to go in the local, and after that you have to scroll down and find the option of the Roblox. And after that you have to go in the variants, and from here you have to simply go in the Roblox Studio installer. You have to press the right click, and from here you have to go in the its properties. Now from here you have to go in its compatibility, and you have to make sure that this program is running as in administrator. And after that, if it is not, you just have to click on it and apply the changes and click on the OK. And after that you have to again go into your Windows, and you have to search for the Roblox player. Now from here you have to click on its arrow icon, and here you have to uninstall it. And after uninstalling your Roblox, you just have to go into your Chrome or any browser that you are using, and here you have to reinstall it. For that you have to click on the any of the game. You have to click on the random game, and from here, as you can see, once you are in, there is the option of the play. You have to click on it. Now from here is the option of the download and install the Roblox. You have to again reinstall your Roblox, and you have to join the specific recommendation and simply click on the join. And once you join it and reinstall your Roblox, you are able to stop crashing your Roblox into your system. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.